Time taken to make a supply available once all customer obligations have been met, including payment, within 30 working days, where existing infrastructure can be used. But within 2 months, where network extensions are required. Within 4.5 months, where network extensions are required. Mokotona ga o tletse ditokomane. Mokotona ga o tletse ditokomane tsa Basotho ba nang le bo 2 years. 2 years ba patetse ba sa kenyetse motlakase. Do you know what happens to the money? They take the money, e kena ka ga moholo koso wa LEC, mane mo e juang ke motho ya ne. So, isa di tendering when ordinary Basotho ha ba sa connect ke motlakase. Because ha o re go thipa, isa di tendering tse juang ke ma parliament. Now, modelo patetse 30,000. Do you understand ona ndate o thmatikano ba ka bofutsana jwa? Because this 30,000, how much about how to connect for 2 years? You could have used it for investment elsewhere. Matikano baka bui, unka 30,000 ya mufutsana ki. Ikeno ka mo holoko ra LEC, ile jwa ke di tender ka tsa mara parliament RFP. Mothebi 17,000. 17,000 ya motho ke. There is no motlakase. 17,000. Hakuna motlakase. Kana go mo safarisitse lelapa, you could have done something for your family. E tla mo ga LEC e tsetseng kona so, e sna matikane ka hare, e be kona wa apply. 22,000. Bokotana o tletse di pampiri tsa batho ba sukueng ke tona kgolo le LEC le motho la hlo e sequence.